One of the best travel hacks you can use is taking a travel humidifier on your trip. They're relatively small, so they won't take up much space in your carry-on bag, but will make a big difference in how you feel on your trip. Hotel air conditioning and heating systems circulate very, very dry air. It's likely one of the reasons you might wake up with a stuffy nose, or puffy eyes, or dry skin and scalp when you travel. Running a travel humidifier on the nightstand next to your bed can improve the quality of your sleep and recovery. Let's unbox the humidifier and see the parts. As you can see, the humidifier is simple to set up. You soak the wick for a couple of minutes and insert it into the unit's lid. Then pour a couple of cups of water into the container, put the top back on, plug it in, and press the power button. Voila! Steam begins and continues for about 8 hours. With over 25,000 positive reviews on Amazon that average at 4 stars, this humidifier is a great option. I have a link that you can use in the video description, which will also help support the channel. When it comes to shopping for travel humidifiers in general, you want to see if the humidifiers have night lights that you can't turn off. That's a surprisingly common feature, and it's a really bad one when you're trying to improve the quality of your sleep. We evolved to sleep in the dark. To wrap this up, if you have experienced congestion or swollen eyes or dryness of skin and scalp while you travel, or are just interested in improving the details of your travel experience, experimenting with a travel humidifier may help improve the quality of your sleep and recovery. Thanks for your interest in our videos, and remember, when you go on your next trip, bring the wonder.